Think everyone is here. Are we waiting for someone?
We can start now. I think everybody is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So I believe we have done using a ready-made notebook. So there was a request that how can we do it using our own data set? How can we bring it here and work on it? So we'll just try to do quickly one. So I'll share my screen. So let's say that we are here. I'll just go to UCI Machine Learning Library. So I'm just showing you how to pick up a data set and use it in our Watson Studio. So everyone on this UCI Machine Learning repository. Yes. So on UCI Machine Learning Library, on the right hand side, you'll find something called bank marketing dataset. Just click on it. So if you see here, in this one, we have 4 data sets. I'm just going to pick up the fourth one, that is bank.csv, which is 10% of the data set. That means it's a smaller data set. Bank full.csv contains the full data set, but I'm going to just pick up bank.csv. Okay. Everyone is following with me?
Ma'am, which one we should download, full or other one?
Yes, ma'am. We are going to download bank.csv.
Okay.
Okay. So I will go to data folder. Ma'am, just see me first, then I will give you time to do it. Okay. So I am going to data folder. You have something called bank additional zip, and there is something called bank.zip. I'm picking up bank.zip, and you can save the file. That's it. Are we done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we will go to our zip folder in our downloads. You will find that we have bang.zip. I think you will have to right click and extract. I don't have that option. I'll just double click. So you just extract the folder. Okay. So within that folder, you'll find several files. One file would be bang.csv. Okay. So the download is done. You don't have to do anything. You just have to download and unzip it. That's it. Okay. So we will come back to our Watson studio. Once you're here, let me know. So download is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we come to this project and you have to click on 0110 and click on browse. Go to your folder and select bank.csv. Are we together?
Where do we go to? Sorry, can you please repeat?
Ma'am, we did this yesterday also. You have to click on 0100, find and add data, and click on browse. And then click on your data set. It's
Go to
just,
project?
sorry,
Do we go to project?
ma'am, we are already inside the project. So you have to be inside your project. You have to go to the project that you created, and then you will come here on the assets tab, and then you should click here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so I am browsing and I am uploading bank.csv open. So you'll find on the right side that the data is getting uploaded. So once it gets uploaded, it should come here. Okay. This is just like uploading a picture on Facebook. So you just need to know the option. You have to go to your profile, find where you want to add the data, and just upload. We are done with the data.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we have to go a little quick, otherwise we'll miss. So we'll say add to project, notebook. Please click on notebook. You see me first. I will hold on for 1 minute after every step and then you can do it. So you have to go to your screen, click on add to project, click on notebook. Okay, once we click on notebook, it will ask you for the name, let's say bank data analysis. This is what is my notebook. I'm building this notebook from scratch, so I'm not importing from file or URL. Okay, everything done. I believe you have done this. I'll just click on create. Are we on the notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Yes, you have to stay on the page until upload completes. Otherwise, it will get cancelled. So once the data uploads, then only you have to go to another web page. Mm, okay. So everyone on the notebook. So what we will do is now we are on the notebook. We need to bring in the data. So again, you have to, whenever you have to bring the data, you have to go to find and add data. 0100. Yes, please move a little quickly. Okay. And then we have something called bank.csv already is flagged. So we say insert to code as a pandas data frame. Okay. So we did this yesterday. I'm still telling you again. So you have to go to 0100 and you have to say bank.csv insert to code. This will automatically write the code to import the bank data set which you uploaded onto IBM Cloud. It will bring it into your this thing, the Jupyter notebook. Okay. Are we together?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you see here, last two lines of your code. Okay. So these last two lines of the code. So are we together? Shall we go ahead? Okay. So these last two lines are actually naming your data set. So I'm going to change df underscore data underscore one to bank. And I will just replace this value by bank so that I don't have to write that big name again and again. So just check your last two lines and correct it. The only thing you have to do is replace df underscore data underscore one by bank. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Other people, other ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so I will just say run here and it should show me the first five values of age. So see, my data is a little problematic here. It's a CSV file. Got it? Yeah, can we see the file? So I'll just do one thing. Can we see the file? It's not getting separated into columns here. So yes, are we together? So what we do is just see me what I'm doing and then you do it. I am going to my downloads, going to the bank folder. I click open this bank.csv, which you saved on your downloads folder. I click on it and it should open. Why is it taking so much time? Okay. Okay, it's opening in some other software. Let me open it in Excel. So for you, please open the file. I will just go here and open. So did we open the file? What do we see? That this,
Data is in the single cell.
yes, it's called concatenated data. So what can I do? Just see me what I'm doing and then you do it. The first step is you select column A. If you click on A, the entire column will be selected. Click on column A, first step.
Ma'am, we are
Are you
not
there
able to see
in
the view.
Excel?
Okay. Yes. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Yeah, now we will.
Yeah. So
One
click on
second.
column A. Click on column A. It will select the entire column. Then you have to go to data. Then you have to go to text to columns here. Here.
Okay, okay.
Text to columns. Click on it. Everyone with me? So you see here it's saying that the text wizard has determined that your data is delimited. Okay. So yes, my data is delimited, concatenated by commas. So I will click on next. So here only tab is selected. Let's select comma. Okay. Comma is not there. The semicolon is there. So once you click on semicolon, the data will get separated into columns. Can you see that? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's say next and finish. Okay, are we together?
Uh, yes. One small doubt. Now, if the file is in format and I make all the changes and I save, then this changes will not be saved. So, do I still hold my file in CSV only?
We can convert it into Excel, but it should hold. So we'll try to save it in Excel and then
Okay.
we'll you can save it as CSV. Sometimes it holds, but CSV
Yes.
can be a little problematic sometimes. So we'll convert it into Excel. So the next
After. Okay.
so the next step would be that we save this file. So this has been converted. I'll say file. I'll say save as, and I will save it as an Excel file and say bank. Okay, and save it. I believe everyone knows how to save it. And just close this.
Ma'am, what is the extension here?
XLX.
Okay.
Okay, we close the file and we go back to our Watson Studio. So what we will do is we'll go back to, you see, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? You see something here? So here we have just like I can navigate to folders. So this is my project, this is all projects, and this is my notebook. So I'm clicking on this project name. So it will take me back to the project. Just click here. So you won't find this in your module, so it's very important that you have to follow me. So we are going to upload that data again. So I believe you know the step. You have to go to 0100, browse for the file and upload it, the bang.xlx. So upload the new file, the saved file. Let me know when you're ready to go ahead.
Yes, ma'am, it is added now.
Okay. For everyone, it got added. Okay, I will take Ramya ma'am's yes as yes, and everyone else, if you want time, you have to ask me to stop. Okay. So now we created this notebook, bank data analysis. We'll open it. You find a pencil here, pencil with a line. I click on the pencil. This gives me an option to edit my notebook. I will click on this pencil sign. Click on it. Yes. So this is the old code. I will just click on it and click. So are we here?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So once we are on the notebook, I will click on the cell and you see this scissor. I'm just going to delete this cell. Okay. So just cut selected cell. Yes. So the code will get deleted. You have to use the scissor to cut the code. Then I will go to 0100 again and I will upload this bank.xlx. So this time I'm uploading the Excel file, not the CSV file. Just keep a note of it and I will insert it as a pandas data frame. Okay, and similarly, I'm going to change the name of my data set. You have to check the last two lines, these two lines, and just change your data set name. Okay, and then you run this code. Okay, shall we go ahead? We are here. Did you get the first 5 rows?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next will be I want to ask bank dot columns and then you run this code. You should get all the column names. So if you want the code, I will write it in the chat box. You can copy paste. This is a small one, so I believe you should be able to write it. Okay. Now I am asking for a summary. Bank dot summary. Just a second. You have to put a okay. Just a second. We'll have to import the library. Let's do this. So for some visualization, please write this code. I will just copy paste. I'm importing a library called Seaborn and matplotlib. This is used for visualization. I'll just write it in your chat when okay, so in Excel file, what I did was so that was let me open one and show to you. So you select the column and you go to data and you go to text to columns. Click on next and then select the semicolon. Semicolon and then say next and finish. So it will convert your data into from text to columns.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
excuse me, ma'am. In that Excel, it is not.
Sorry?
I have to. I'm not able to preview other values, ma'am. Only age is only coming there,
Which
ma'am. In the Excel sheet, ma'am.
Excel sheet you're able to preview only age.
Yes, ma'am. We done that delimitation, but now what you have done, we are not able to. I'm not able to.
Ma'am, this is I'm repeating it for Geeta ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
That is done already. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have written the code for I believe it's clear for you now. And then I have written the it's giving WS spreadsheets can convert only one column at a time. So ma'am, you have to select only one column. How many columns are you selecting? Just see it again. I'll do control. So you have to select only a column, not all of them. Just click on A and then you have to go to data. Okay. So we don't have to select multiple columns here. Yeah. Okay. So I have imported. So if I want to, let's say, add a comment saying that these are, so I can say hash hash importing visualization libraries. Okay. So this is for me to remember that I imported visualization libraries. Okay. So if you see here, I have imported Seaborn as SNS. So if I want to create a plot from Seaborn, I will say SNS dot pair plot, and then I will give the name of the data set. So SNS is the Seaborn library. So once I import it as an object. Okay, and then I use SNS dot pair plot. So pair plot is a functionality in Seaborn, and then I'm giving the dataset name. So it's giving me a pair plot. So you can write the formula and get the graph. Are we together? Yes. Shall we go ahead?
Yes.
Okay. So this is one. Let's say I want to get the correlation matrix, then I will say data dot correlation correlation, that is bank, that is my data set dot corr, which stands for correlation, and then bracket. So if I run this, it will give me a. So the shortcut to run the cell is shift and enter. So that's the shortcut which I'm using. Shift enter will run the cell. So this will give me the correlation matrix. So I can check here who's highly correlated or not. So this is how we go ahead. We keep on going. We do the training. We do the testing, and then we divide the data set into training, testing, and then we build the model on training and then score it. So for each of the operation, what you used to do as a node in SPSS modeler, you will have to write a code for each of the steps. The overall methodology remains the same. Data preparation, checking for missing values. So I'll do a missing value also if we, let me just, okay. So let's say that I want to check the type of the variable. So you remember type, continuous, categorical that we did in SPSS. Let's say bank dot d types. I'll just run this. So in Python, there is a different definition. They don't define as continuous categorical, they define as integer and object. So let's say marital status is an object which is categorical, age is an integer. So they have a different what do you call it, classification for this. Okay. So again, let's say that mm, okay, so let's say that I want to check the rows and columns in my data set. I will say bank dot shape and I'll run it. Sorry, you don't need the bracket. So it will give you the rows and columns in your data set. So similarly, I have used very basic functions. You can go to the complex level of functions and define what you want to do. So does that help you how you can use it here?
Yes.
Okay. So this is how we can keep on going step by step, check for missing values, check for outliers, do scatter plots, histograms. So this keeps on going. So I have written
For correlation, what can we do?
for correlation I did ma'am bank dot.
Sorry, the table you showed us where we saw that diagonal values are one.
Hmm. Here.
Okay, this is just another way.
Yeah. So that's the heat map. For that, you have to use the matplot library, and then you will have to write some specification, what color you want to use, how big the color,
Got it.
and then you will get. That is just another representation of this. So if you want the full code, it's there in the demo book. So you can just replace your data set and run the entire code. So you should get that.
Okay, that means we have to just change the file name everywhere. That's all.
Yes, yes. Okay. So does this make you more comfortable? Shall we go ahead to the next chapter?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll go to next chapter. Okay. So this is one part of how do we use Jupyter notebooks. So we'll now go to see what kind of dashboards we can create. So if you see my screen, just a second, I'll share. Where's my page? So if you see my screen, I will show you. So just a second. So in Watson Studio, we create a project. Okay, we create a project, and in this project we can have a notebook. Then now we are going to use the dashboard functionality, drag and drop dashboard. Okay. And then again, we can have an auto AI component. Auto AI is an automated artificial intelligence tool where you just have to upload the data, it will do everything for you. Auto AI, and then one component is for image processing. Image processing, image or text, unstructured data. Okay, text processing. So these are the main topics that we have to cover. So notebook we have covered, dashboard we are going to cover. Today we should be able to finish dashboard and auto AI. Okay. So we'll complete image processing and text processing on Monday. So tomorrow we don't have this session. I just spoke. Just when he messaged me, I have some important appointment. So tomorrow we won't have the session, but Monday we'll have it. Same time, 10 o'clock. Just 1.5 hours, and probably if you want, we'll do the question answers. So dashboard and auto AI is what we are going to do now. So we'll just close it and we'll follow the module. So here I'll click on RNSIT 5, that is my project. And while it is opening, I'll go to my module. So we have done this notebook, correlation check, scikit-learn, test the model, end of exercise. Okay. So this is the one that we're going to getting started with data refinery and auto AI, page number 42. So please come to page number 44. They have given, just see me first and then you can do it. So page number 44, you have to go to airlinedata.csv and download it for further exercise. So just open your module and download that data set. So if you click on that link, it will take you to a box link. You can just say download. So this is the file. We'll just download it. That's it.
Page number 42 of exercise.
I'm 44. Yeah. Or you can see the document page number is chapter 2, page number 3. So you have to go here. PDF page number 44, document page number 2, chapter 3. Yeah. Shall we go ahead? Did we get the data? Shall we?
Is it a CSV file?
Yes, it should be. Airline data.csv. Yeah. So we have to do the same step. We have to go to the project and upload your file. Go to downloads. Yeah, airline data.csv. Just upload it. Done? The upload is done.
Should we change the format or CSV only?
No, CSV is fine.
Okay.
Keep it CSV. Done? Shall we go ahead? Quickly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you see the data set uploaded. You click on the data set, airline.data.csv. Just click on the data set. The preview will open in a new page. Okay. So did you get the preview? If you click on the data set, just the data set, airline data.csv. Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you see, we can have the preview and we can, if you go to another tab called profile. Okay, data profile not created yet. Okay. So go back to preview and click on refine. So refine will give you options to do some data preparation. So data refining is what we are going to do. Click on refine. So I've started from page 44 and I'm following from there. I have clicked on refine on the right. Take a couple of minutes. Okay. Did you get the screen similar to mine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here, we should be able to do some level of data preparation. So here, if you click on profile, this tab, if you see here, this one, I'm clicking on profile. So it will give me frequency plots and basic histograms. So we don't have to do anything. It will automatically give you the frequency plots. So let's say if it is the month, then it's showing that, okay, the interpretation. I believe the interpretation, I don't understand here what's happening. Uh, okay, fine. So it's giving the so year and month, and it is giving the statistic which it shouldn't give right now. So let's see how we can change this. So okay, so now click on visualization, the third tab. So we are going to explore the data a little bit using drag and drop options. So we'll select a column to visualize. Let's select unique carrier. So just click on the drop down and we'll select unique carrier. So you can either do a one column analysis or you can add a column for doing bivariate analysis. Okay. So are we together till here? So I'm following from page number chapter 2, page number 11, page number 12. In the document, it would be page number PDF page number 48, 49, 50. Okay. Yeah. So are we together on this? Columns to visualize. You have to click on visualization. Come here, choose the column name. Yes, no. Shall we go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
And we click on visualize data. You can select the pie chart, and so it's automatically picking up a pie chart, and I'll just say apply. So it's automatically giving me a pie chart for unique carrier. So there are different kinds of aircrafts, each unique aircraft. So these are the color codings for each kind of aircrafts and what is the proportion. So this is a pie chart for the same. So let's say that, okay,
I didn't get that option where
which option?
I have taken the pie chart, but it is not showing anything.
Ma'am, you have to click on apply here,
Where, no? Okay.
left side.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's say that I am not interested in a pie chart and I want to create a bar plot. Are we together? Everyone got the pie chart? Everyone got the pie chart?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So let's say that I want to build a bar plot. I'll select the bar. It'll ask me whether should I switch charts. I'll say continue. Okay. So selected selected bar chart. After that, you'll have details for bar chart here. What do you want on the y-axis? Whether you want count or you want sum, mean, maximum. So what kind of chart you want to create. So let's say that we'll take it by count only. We'll leave the defaults and just say apply. So if you see here, you'll get the bar representation of the same data.
Hmm? Hmm.
Okay. So this is how we can do visualization. I have done it for one variable. You can go back and add variable and do bivariate also. Okay. Let's go back to data. We together?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to data. Just so right hand side, I'm just closing this so that I can have a better view. So I have a column called day of the month, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll just click on three dots and ask to sort by descending. So if you see, we have multiple operations that we can do. We can remove duplicates here. We can remove empty rows. We can sort. Okay, so let's say we sort by descending. So I've clicked on sort by descending. So once I do this, on the right hand side, you see here what's happening. I have just um, added this sort descending. Okay, and then you see convert column type. Some of the columns have been read as, sorry, okay, so some of the column have been read as strings. So I want to make, sorry, as numbers, I want to read it as nominal. So here it will automatically run this. Second is this one which we have added, sort rows by the month. Okay, so this is the data flow for me. So I'm doing some operations, then I will create a job. I will create it as one task and the entire thing will run. Okay. Okay. So we do this. Now let's go to click on operation. You see operation here? Operation.
Yes,
Click
ma'am.
on operation. Then you'll find something called filter. Just click on filter. If you are not able to follow, I am following from page number 50 and beyond. Okay. So let's say that I want to provide a condition that I want to filter only the unique carrier. Where is it? Unique carrier is equal to a value that I will give is capital UA. Fine. So I'm trying to filter. So first I have sorted as descending. Now I am filtering only the unique carrier equal to UA. Just let me know once you're done. I'll go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then we say apply. Apply. Click on apply. Fine. See on the right side, you have now a filter condition also. So what we are doing is that we are telling the software, do these things. Let's say do step 1, 2, 3. The combination of three steps is called a job, which it will run once we give the command to run it. Okay. Okay, so what's next? Let's go to operation again. I'm adding another step. Go to operation and say calculate. We click on calculate and then in select column we say delay, arrival delay. How much arrival delay? is, so we are going to derive a variable here. Let's say next. So we together? I am on page number, chapter number 2, page number 19, or I believe it will be beyond 55 or something. So I'm here. So pie chart, we did it. So this is bar chart that we did. And now we are doing the, so sorting day of month, we have done it. Filter, we have done now. And right now I am on page number, so right now I'm on page number 60. Okay.
There, operation.
Operation, calculate,
Okay.
and then you select the variable name arrival delay. Here,
ERR.
drop down. If you're missing out, you can follow the module arrival delay, and then I will say next.
ERR. Yes, ma'am.
I'll say next. So
Okay.
now it is asking me that the selected column is arrival delay. Perform calculation with another column or with a specified value. Okay, so what do we want to do? We want to, okay, so we are doing an addition with departure delay. So we are going to calculate a new variable called arrival delay plus departure delay to calculate the total delays. So let's say that I want to do an addition with the column. Select the column here, and then you select departure delay here. So I'm on chapter number 2, page number 20, PDF page number 60. Have we done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have to check box here, create a new column and say that I want to create total delay. Okay, then we say apply. So see, the fourth step has appeared here, that I am actually calculating total delay. I am filtering it, I am sorting it. Okay. Okay. Fine. So next is, let's say that you want to write a code for an operation. So you can write code for an operation here. Let's say that,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yeah,
Last previous step, you got the column right. After that, what you have done? Last.
that's what I'm telling you. So
Okay, okay.
if you want to write a code for an operation, let's say that this is simple data fetching. So if you want to write a SQL code to fetch the data, then what you can do, you can click in this tab, and let's say that you want to select. So the syntax will be given. I click on select, and then you'll get the column name. So what do you want to select? So this select is almost similar to, it's similar to the select node that we used in SPSS modeler. Okay. Okay. So then, once you write select, you click on column. It will give you the list of columns. So I am saying that please select total delay. Okay. So it will select and you say apply. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes. So another, so here also, if you see, it's just showing me one column. Yeah, I got disconnected. I'm sorry. There's no electricity in my house. Can you hear me now? Okay, I lost what I did. Okay, so great. So I believe you have your things saved.
Ma'am, we didn't. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
We didn't hear you like till now what you have done.
Ma'am, I did it till total delay. Did you hear? Have we calculated total delay?
1 second, ma'am.
Ma'am, I lost what I did. So because of a power cut in my
Okay.
house. So we have calculated total delay, right? If you go to page this one. So we calculated um this one.
Yeah,
But
total delay we calculated, ma'am.
yes, so we have done till here. After that, I was trying to tell you about this one. Page number 64. I was trying to tell you about select and then select a column, right? Did you hear
Ma'am.
this? Yeah.
Yes, yes, ma'am. That after select statement, you told us to select one column.
Hmm.
Mm.
Yeah, but I have lost everything I did. So my job is lost. Okay. So
Ma'am, can I share my screen so that
yeah.
you can tell us now? It is
Yeah.
there still in the total delay.
Hmm. Okay.
I will see, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah.
This is total delay.
Yes. Can you do this undo here? This one, this blue color arrow that goes back.
Is
This one,
here, yeah?
ma'am. Here,
Oh, it
on
is okay. Okay.
yes. So we have the data set. So now what we'll do is, mm, okay. Please write in the code. Write select. Okay, and then you can select the column total delay, comma. Just write comma after total delay. Where total delay before sorry after apostrophe after the
Okay, sorry.
double quotes, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
After that write everything, 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 and then bracket open, bracket close. Yeah, and apply. So now what will happen is total delay will become the first column. Yes, you see here the total delay becomes the first column. Okay. um
Yes,
so
ma'am.
they've done a couple of more steps.
You can hear first column.
Okay, so now we go to operation again.
I have to click on this one.
Yeah, operation, aggregate,
Aggregate.
just a second, let me see what they have.
It is not here. Ma'am, here it is there, aggregate.
Just a second, just a second. Aggregate, yeah, aggregate. Then you have to select the column name, total delay. Yeah, total delay is fine. So let's say that we want to calculate the. So here it's asking for count unique values. We will just drop down and ask for mean values. Okay, and just give name of the aggregated column. Just say mean total delay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. And then say apply. So everyone is together. So we are following chapter number 2, page number 28.
Ma'am, that entire column mean we calculated, ma'am, now?
Yeah,
That entire column.
yeah. So this is one. So now how do we run? So we have done several steps. So you see here, step 6 steps we have done in the middle, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. It
Right?
is also showing here, calculate,
Yeah.
aggregate.
Yeah, so these are all the things that we have done. So how do we run this job and save the new data set? Okay, so once we run all these steps, it will create a new data set and we will save the data set. So if you go to that, ma'am, if you go to that triangle with a clock,
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
so it says jobs, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just just go to the drop down. Yeah, save and create a job. So it's there on chapter number 2, page number 29. So we are actually saving all the steps and creating a new job. So we are creating a job. It will run everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's name the job as, you can name it Ramya Data Refinery or something, whatever you want.
Oh,
Data refinery. Okay. And then create and run. Just click on the blue icon
yeah,
right.
here, ma'am.
Yeah. So what will happen? Whatever steps you've done will get run and it will ask you whether you should save it as a new data set or not. And it should be visible in your data assets in the project.
Airline associated asset, airline data flow, 6 steps edition.
Yeah. So it's running. Just refresh the page, ma'am.
Here, ma'am. Refresh.
Mhm. Still running. You can keep on refreshing until it gets done.
Here it came run. Still running edition.
Yeah, just let it run for some time. We've done a lot of steps. Yeah, completed now. So
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
completed now.
Okay.
Just click on those three dots. Nothing. Just click on this. Just a second. Let me see what they have done. Yes. So this data should get saved in your project. So everyone has done this? Okay. Just go back to your project, RNSIT second.
Here, ma'am.
Yeah. So if you see here, the first data set that you see is
Yes.
airline data underscore.
Shape, shape.
This one shaping is cleaning. So we have done data cleaning part and it has saved it here. So
Okay.
so now you should be able to use this data set after data cleaning into your model.
Model.
Okay. So it's almost going to be 3. Do you want to quickly do auto AI?
And we have a session.
Okay.
This session we have.
Fine. So I'll leave you for today. We meet on Monday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Can you please give us hint like you told like exams will be conducted for us. When probably it will be there because at
What?
least we got to know like when it will be, ma'am. Like immediately after course completion or some time will be given for that.
Ma'am, I don't think so. It's after course completion.
Okay.
I believe one of the conversations I came to know that it is on 10th of July, I guess.
Okay.
Or sometime later, you'll get time, don't worry.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so it should not be very difficult, and it will be more on the tool part
Yes,
rather
yes,
than
ma'am. Yes, yes.
SPSS and Watson Studio.
That's
So I have given you the percentage.
yes, ma'am. You shared.
Yeah. So any other question? We will do auto AI, auto artificial intelligence on Monday. Um, if we don't have any questions, then we can end the session.
Okay.
I don't know whether I recorded this or not. Oh, sorry, I didn't record the second part. Okay, anyways, you have the module. Everything is written. If you have any problem, you can just refer to the module. It's step by step. You shouldn't have any problem. Okay.
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 Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
let's meet on Monday and cover the rest of the portion. Have a great weekend.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Wish you same, ma'am.
Yeah, thank
Till
you.
weekend.
Thank you, Nivedita.
Yeah,
Thank
thanks.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.